So this is a little video for those of you who are with me today that may have followed me after our tour to Castell Caernarfon Castle. Gobeithio bod chi wedi mwynhau Gogledd Cymru. I hope you enjoyed North Wales today. This is me arriving back at the bwthyn with a bit of shopping, rucksack on my back, and the dogs are going to be really happy to see me. So just making my way down the garden. Beautiful here. Early return for a change because it was a half-day tour with a ship that was arriving in quite late. So I'll pause it now so that I can let the dogs out and see where the cats are. See you in a second. I can hear them getting excited. Hello, Skipper Nell. Hello, little guys. Hello, Nell. Hiya, Skip. Go on, go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Absolutely beautiful late afternoon here on the mountain, and my views beyond the sweet peas down to the coast at Conwy. So lovely day. Thank you all.